The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist. It is located just behind and slightly left of the breastbone named the sternum. The human body is a double circulatory system because it pumps blood twice in a single journey, thereby distributing oxygen all around the body. The heart consists of 4 chambers. 2 chambers are located in the proportion of the heart called atria, which consists of right and left atrium, while the 2 other chambers are located in the lower portion of the heart called ventricles, which consists of right and left ventricle. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the veins and then pumps it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives that blood from the right atrium and pumps it to the lungs, where it is loaded with oxygen. As the blood is now oxygenated, the left atrium receives that oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the left ventricle. The left ventricle then pumps the blood to the rest of the body. Each chamber of the heart is separated by walls that only permit blood to flow in one direction. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle, and it opens due to a high pressure to the right ventricle. Bicuspid valve is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. It also opens due to a high pressure of blood. Semilunar valve stops the backflow of blood into the heart. This is a semilunar valve. And another valve we have the pulmonary valve. The right and left side of the heart is separated by a muscular muscle called the septum. The septum prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The heart pumps blood through arteries and veins called blood vessels. The vessels that brings blood to the heart are called veins, while the vessels that takes blood away from the heart are called arteries. There are 4 main blood vessels that takes blood into and out of the heart. Number 1, aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. It takes oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. Number 2, vena cava. The vena cava is the largest vein in the body. It carries deoxygenated blood from the body back to the heart. Number 3, pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood away from the right ventricle to the lungs. Number 4, pulmonary vein retains oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the heart.
So if you like this video, just show some love by subscribing, sharing, and then comment.